This is the premium Fiskars Hedge Shears that has 3 times more cutting power because of the gear design. The mechanical gear makes it very easy to open and close. It's very lightweight and the extension handle gives us a lot of reach. The handle is rubberized for better grip. It's so smooth I can open it with one hand while I record the video with the other hand. The case that comes with it is not just for packaging. It's reusable and it protects the blade and provides a hanging solution when not in use. It's so powerful I don't even need to exert too much strength to cut this thick grass. Let's cut some real thick branches. This is my Kaffir lime tree and this branch is about 1 centimeter thick. Because of the 3 times more powerful gear, it has no problem cutting this thick branch. I'll show you some of the close-up of how smooth the gear moves. I really like these lightweight shears, making my gardening so easy. There is another shears by Fiskars called the Power Lever, but this one is only 2 times the cutting power. I recommend just go for the HSX92 model, which has the 3 times cutting power. Get it using my Amazon affiliate link in the description down below. Remember to like and subscribe to this video so it can reach and help more people.